This is the attack that me and Stitch got attacked for like an hour. Like this sucked up demon right here. I was on drugs of hate. Okay, the attack was for like an hour. I put my hand in the pit bull's mouth, and Stitch was still walking after like the attack. This is a testimony to show you to cut your other hand off. Don't let the other hand know what it's doing. There you go. See that? Tendons are cut up. Okay. Man, this is just like crazy. He was only 3 months old, Stitch, and he was still walking. It was for like hour attack. They put the other pet bull asleep. I didn't want them to put the dog asleep because that's murder. Their Stitch. And this is a miracle dog walking. He's like my best friend. Look at that sucked up demon right there. I hate to call myself that, but you live and you learn. Man, this is crazy. And look at that, my tendons, and it's all messed up. I can't put my thumb up. Crazy, huh? There's Stitch. Cut your hand off. Don't let the other hand know what's doing. There's that sucked up demon right there. That's the old me. Look at this Stitch. Still walking after an hour attack. Miracle dog.